Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn cybersecurity step by step. Begin by building a strong foundation in computer science. Master operating systems, networking protocols, and data structures. Learning a versatile language like Python is crucial for scripting and automating tasks. Also, become proficient with the Linux command line, as it is fundamental for many cybersecurity roles. This initial phase sets the stage for more advanced topics. Next, dive into the core concepts of cybersecurity. Focus on network security, understanding how firewalls, virtual private networks, and intrusion detection systems protect data in transit. Grasp the fundamentals of cryptography, which is essential for secure communication and data storage. Additionally, learn about prevalent attack vectors and the various defense strategies used to mitigate risks. This knowledge forms the backbone of a security professional's expertise. Practical experience is paramount in cybersecurity. Get hands-on with industry-standard tools such as Wireshark for network analysis, Nmap for port scanning, and Metasploit for penetration testing. Engage in capture-the-flag events to hone your problem-solving abilities in a simulated environment. Consider building a home lab to safely experiment with various security configurations and attack simulations. This active learning approach solidifies theoretical knowledge. Finally, consider specializing in a particular area of cybersecurity, such as ethical hacking, incident response, or security architecture. Pursue relevant industry certifications like CompTIA Security Plus or Certified Ethical Hacker to validate your skills and enhance career prospects. The cybersecurity landscape evolves rapidly, so continuous learning is vital. Regularly read security news, attend webinars, and participate in professional communities to stay ahead.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.